When I came in, the focus of this facility more or less was build out 15 or so forming cells, making parts for customers, and then quickly the focus then shifted to we need to be making as many of these machines as possible to support the scale and the rapid growth of Machina Labs, not just internally, but for its customers.
They're putting together this cell. This is cell 17. Ultimately, we're going to be building 50 of these for the next facility.
To go from like 5 or so machines that we built this last year to ramp up to 15, 20, 25 machines. So the first step in how do we scale is knowing where we are today. We had to take a lot of different time studies, the various assemblies throughout the machine, the various systems throughout the machine. Overall, where the labor is required, there is a lot of time that we are spending building everything in-house, right? This was some of the documentation that we had put together when we were going to do the 15 forming cells in here, looking at the individual space within the cells, ideal material flow, forklift travel. Then once we had the discussion about optimizing the machine production here, it quickly goes into this iterative process of what does the layout look like. I would envision that we're at this state with Mach E the end of Q2 of next year.